Okay. Ready for some more? Green beans and peaches? Whoops. Kind of missed. Hold still. There you go. Get some of that up. Is it good? It's hard to aim for your mouth when you're leaning towards your toes. Yeah. Ah, it's good stuff. Yeah, you want to help me? Oh, yes. Mm-hmm. There are so many procrastinators who come together today. It's almost a convention for them. Oh, okay. Not so neat that time. What? You gotta sit up straight to eat. You gonna have a little meat? You trying to eat your toes? Huh? You trying to eat your toes? Oh, messy, messy. We were doing a lot better before I turned the camera on, believe it or not.
Nasal allergy symptoms like congestion can occur at any time.
Yes.
And it's hard to avoid the things that cause them.
Boop. There we go. Here we go. Ready for some more? Yes. Oh, it's good. Green beans and peaches. Yum, yum. Okay, you get my pinky. Yeah. You're like hitting a moving target today. It's like hitting a moving target. Yeah. You ready? Mm-hmm. Yeah, you hold my pinky. How about you hold my pinky? You do a little better that way. Yes. You're kind of wobbly leaning forward like this. Wouldn't you rather sit back? Mmm, yummy. Yes. Oh, okay, here we go. Oh. Yes. Yeah, got it? Okay. Sit up. Oh, you're almost done. Is it good? Yeah. Oh, yeah. You can sit back if you'd like to relax some. You don't seem to want to. No, don't put your face in the bowl. Here we go. There you go. Okay. Mmm, yum. Do you like it? Do you like this, huh? Do you like the green beans and peaches? Yeah. Yes, yes, yum, yum. Well, you demolished the whole thing. I can't believe you ate the whole thing. Ah, wait a minute. You flung it all over us just then. Okay, it was a nice clean car seat. Let me scoop that up and wipe that. Oh, goodness me. Goodness me. Now I'll get the other wipe and clean your face. Yes. Oh, oh. There we go. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, that was good. That was good, huh? Yeah. All done? All done. Say bye-bye to the camera. We're going to have our bottle now.